What's up? Guess what we have for today? It's that time of the year. I'm going to teach you how to make bows out of ribbons. For those of you wondering, what's this on my head? My hair is a mess. So, I gotta hide it. What I'm gonna teach you today is how to make a bow out of ribbon. You can get this at Joann's Container Store, Michael's, all those arts and crafts store. It's pretty easy. You're gonna need the ribbon, a zip tie. If you don't have a zip tie, you could use one of those twisty ties that come with the garbage. Scissors, but this is my kind of scissor. Much better than this. Listen to that. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is open this up. You're gonna take the ribbon, your hand, tie it around your hand like this. Go a couple turns around. That might be enough right there. By the way, there goes that cheese board. I'm using it as a mat. What we're gonna do next is take your hand out. Actually, you're gonna cut it like this. Fold it out. It's pretty thick, so using this kind of scissor is really not the best for this. So you want to use a nice heavy duty scissor, and then you're going to cut the ends at an angle like that. Gonna do the other side now. It's gonna look like this. Now we gotta do the other side. Same thing. Want the edges, the corners that we just cut, and bring them together like this. Take the zip tie or the twisty tie. Make it nice and tight. We're gonna cut this little tip off. And now, the last step from the inside. Grab it, pull it out. There goes that piece. See that? There you go. There goes your ribbon. That goes your quick tutorial on how to make ribbons for Christmas. For those gifts, if you want to be different and make your own ribbons. I think they're better than the store-bought one. They look a whole lot prettier. And the quality is much better. If you like my crazy hat, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel. We'll give more tutorials on the other stuff.